This video will dive into the world of smart hospitals. Let's explore how to build one from scratch. First, you'll need cutting-edge technologies like IoT, AI, and telehealth to streamline operations and enhance patient care. Hospital network architecture. Design a robust network architecture to ensure seamless communication between devices, servers, and applications. Partnership with experts. Partner for expert guidance in evaluating infrastructure, defining requirements, and implementing smart solutions tailored to your hospital's needs. Identifying pain points. Identify pain points and prioritize areas for improvement to create a roadmap for digital transformation. Digital transformation services. Take small steps towards digital transformation, focusing on the most critical aspects of your hospital's operations. Device layer, network layer, application layer. Building a smart hospital is a complex process, but with Valuecoders by your side, you can navigate the challenges and unlock the full potential of digital healthcare. Ready to embark on your smart hospital journey? Contact Valuecoders today, and let's build the future of healthcare together.